Hi, this is Shakil from Team UK Trading Limited. Today I'm showing you the exterior of the Tesla Model 371 plate. It's a shiny white car. Warranty protected by warranty wise. So let me show you the interior of the Tesla 3 model.
Press the brake and set it and press
So this is the steering wheel.
show everything.
This is the cruise control indicator. This is the touch screen control. Dynamics, charging. Back camera, the media system, the color option, there's the view from the back seat. This is the back. This is the boot. This is the charger. No body work. Inside and outside very clean and shiny. So the perfect car for your daily life and holiday.